This incredible pasta is ready in just 20 minutes. I'll start by putting some oil in this frying pan. 600 grams of chicken cut into small cubes. We'll spread the chicken out here in the pan and I'll add salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of chimichurri, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and stir very well to add the spices and also to let the chicken fry. Once the chicken is golden brown and has reached this point, we can add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a red onion cut into slices. You can then let it fry for a couple of minutes. Once that's done, add the pasta. I'm using 250 grams of spaghetti noodles, then cover with water. It's very quick, guys. Now add 300 milliliters of tomato sauce and then 200 milliliters of cream. Let the pasta cook, stirring from time to time so it doesn't stick together. This pasta has been cooking here for 6 minutes. And it's ready. Look how well it cooked and how loose it was. As promised, the pasta is ready in 20 minutes. It's super quick. Now just serve this marvel. It's mouth-watering. Look how delicious it is. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.